Hello and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about staying at a haunted hotel. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. There are no right or wrong answer. Just share your opinion and imagination. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Would you like to spend one night at a haunted hotel?
No, I would not like to spend one night at the haunted hotel.
Why you would not like to stay there?
I would not like to stay there because I might feel scary.
Who would you go with?
I would go with my family or friend.
How would you feel before entering the hotel?
I would feel nervous before entering the hotel.
What would you do inside the hotel?
I would look around and explore the hotel.
Would you sleep well in the hotel?
No, I would not sleep there.
What would you do if you heard a strange noise?
If I heard a strange noise, I call my friend.
Would you take photo inside the hotel?
Yes, I would take some photo.
What would you tell your friend after your visit?
I would tell my friend about my experience.
Would you like to stay there again? Why or why not?
No, I would not like to stay there again because it would be too scary.
Great job, you did very well today. Thank you for sharing your idea and opinions. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing your English and speaking confidently every day. Thank you for